On this episode, we talk master bedroom doors. Alright guys, welcome back for another episode of Simone TV. Thank you for joining me once again. And on today's episode, what I want to talk about is your master bedroom doors. Now, a lot of people just want to have it simple and just have one single door going into their master bedroom. Now, it all depends out on the layout of your house, where your actually master bedroom is located. Now, let's say, for example, it's a single story home. General rule of thumb is most master bedrooms will be located at the front of the house, right next to your front entrance door. Now, instead of just having a single door, one of my tips or options for you to have is turn it into a double door. So as you open up both doors, it'll give it that much more grander feel. Now, obviously, with blocks getting a lot more smaller, we're trying to find ways to make our homes feel a lot bigger. So if you have a double set of doors walking in to your home, and especially right as you walk in, you see two doors, it'll make it feel a lot bigger. Same thing with a double story, guys. So obviously your master bedroom is generally speaking is going to be on the top floor. So it depends on the way you position your staircase. You can always have a little void section, but you can have a little bridge going into your master bedroom. And then once again, having a set of double doors at the end of that bridge going into your master bedroom, once again gives it that great grand feel. So you can imagine walking across a sort of a bridge where you have the void staircase on one side and an entry void on the other side. So it's the only thing you can do to get across the void is going to your master bedroom, opened up to a beautiful big set of double doors. Definitely gives it that great grand feeling. Now, we're always trying to look for different sort of tips and tricks to give that little bit of a wow touch. And these are only small things. Generally speaking, you should be able to do these with most designs, just simply adding another door and having a double door. Definitely is a great tip to give you that little bit of an extra wow factor. Now guys, if you know someone who's just trying to look for those little small things to add to their home that can actually make a big difference, then definitely tag them in the comments below. And guys, I'd love to know if you've got this in your house. Do you have double doors anywhere in your home into your master bedroom, just to give it that extra sort of look? All right guys, thank you very much for joining me on today's episode. I will see you same time, same place right here. Thanks guys, bye for now.